Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to 3x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have number 3 in here. dv, we have e to the power of s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration 3 e to the power of s and ds in here. The integration of this one, we have 3e to the power of s, and we put about c, and this is the final answer. Question number 2, we need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to 2x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have number 2 ds. dv, we have sine s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative cosine s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative sign here, so you got about positive. And we have the integration 2 cosine s ds. The integration of this one, we have 2 sine s plus c. Because the integration of cosine s, you got about sine s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.